Jupiter Media presents.
Hello and namaste. Welcome to Destination Bangladesh television show. This program is all about education opportunities in Bangladesh. We are frequently visiting there in Bangladesh and talking with the international students and featuring the state of the art facilities and sharing you the truth about the educational offers. So today I'm going to talk about the Shahabuddin Medical College, and it is situated at Gulsan, Dhaka, and the area and the campus is really accessible for each corner of the Dhaka. So to provide you about the educational offers and other development, we have very special guest from college side who is none other than Professor Dr. Khadimul Azad. He is the principal of college. Let's welcome him to the show. Dr. Azad, you are welcome on our show.
Good evening for you and for everyone. Good morning in some places as well. I am Dr. Khadimul Azad. I'm the principal of Shahabuddin Medical College. And this Shahabuddin Medical College is situated in a diplomatic zone of Dhaka city.
So, especially talking about the very accessible zone and zone of the Dhaka, the college is situated centrally. Let's have a talk about the foundation, vision, and the journey so far.
Okay, so we have started our journey from 2003. So, and there to a 23rd second batch is running in our college right now, and 16th of the batches have completed their internship from our medical college. So the 16th batch has gone out as being a doctor, and they are practicing in the country and abroad. And this is because we have said that this medical college is in the center of the city and is in a diplomatic zone. So the security problem is not an issue because this is the most secure place in the country. And it is about 40 minutes drive from the airport. So this is very accessible.
Okay. So especially talking about the medical colleges, there are lots of colleges and the university are offering the MBBS program. So what makes the Shahabuddin Medical College a preferred destination for international students, especially from India and Nepal?
Okay, so this medical college, our teachers are our main teaching point because our teachers are very much eager to accept all the foreign students in their own capacity. So we are very welcoming. The teachers are very welcoming, and there is no language barrier because though the English is being the only language of teaching and also communication as well, but we sometimes adjust according to the need of the foreign students. Sometimes when the students from the India comes, they are very comfortable with Hindi and sometimes Urdu as well. So our teachers are very accommodative about the language as well. Sometimes we let our students use their own language. Mostly the Hindi is very used very frequently in our classes. If some students couldn't understand English, we also allow Hindi to be the part of the teaching as well.
Okay.
So this is one of the advantages we have. We can offer you in Shahabuddin Medical College.
Okay. Especially large number of South Asian students are choosing Bangladesh for medical education. Talking about the quality education, infrastructure, facilities, and the running hospitals. So how do you assure the quality medical education and modern infrastructure for MBBS students?
Okay, so we have these 13 basic departments in our medical colleges, and we have qualified doctors and teachers, professors, associate and assistant professors, lecturers. So, and the teaching staff is completely equipped. We are equipped medical college, and all the departments are separate. We have a hospital building, which is a 500-bed hospital, and all the departments are different, are having their spaces in the hospitals. So in the basic subjects, we have enough spaces for teaching, and we have sufficient lecture galleries, tutor classes, practical classes, and the clinical placements as well.
Okay. So especially talking about the clinical training facilities for the students, what sort of the benefit student can get from the like their study period? I already talk about the high like running patient flow there in like hospital. How they can get the additional benefit?
What sort of benefit you're talking about? Because we are following the curriculum of the Dhaka University, so we meticulously tries to follow the curriculum. And what happens is that in the previous years, whenever we are following the curriculum properly, so the foreign students can equip themselves for preparing for the FFMG and the NMMCLE. Okay, so whenever the way we teach, actually during the internal period, 90% of the students could could pass these exams. So our teaching curriculum is like that. We try to accommodate the syllabuses according to the which is very much useful to in passing FMGE and NMCLE. Okay, so this is what we are talking about. We give more emphasis on the basic subjects, so that these are the very necessary for passing these exams. In the hospital, the foreign students can handle patients. We have hostel facilities in our medical colleges. So these hostels are the female hostels are within our medical college campus. So this is they are just by the side of the college, so they don't have to move so fast. For they can come and visit the clinic or the patients anytime they want. Okay, and the male hostel is just a building that is residing just by the side of the medical college. So this is within the campus. So everybody, the foreign students are living within the hostels, and they can approach the clinical classes very easily.
Okay. So especially talking about the our television show, Destination Bangladesh is like the television show which is like sharing the information to the prospective Nepalese students, Indian students, and parents. So in this case, even we are visiting in campus, like featuring the state-of-the-art facilities, and often students are sharing about the international student caring unit and the facilities so that they can feel comfortable in very initial phase. They may not like familiar with like Bengali language. Then after there may be some that sort of the complication in that phase. How college is cooperating international students in your campus and talking about the like international students community, particularly from India and Nepal. Let's have a talk about it.
Whenever a student is coming in the first year, so we have teachers in the first year. We haven't taken any language barrier. We uses any language they are comfortable with. Not mostly the Nepalese, but Hindi is very widely used, so they are not left like they don't feel like being abroad. Okay, they can use the Hindi language as being the interim language. If you don't, because most of us in this subcontinent uses this language in some way or other. Okay, so we have that language barrier, and we have special group of teachers assigned for the students who can come to the teachers and share their views, and we try to solve the problems whatever they are having. And we have in the hostel we have canteen facilities, so we can arrange the foods according to the need of the individual students.
Okay, so especially we already talk about the hostel facilities and the other activities. So talking about the like safety and security, so what sort of the like privilege and especially for the ladies and other like young students, they may afraid from the different political scenario and so on things because talking about the overall South Asian region, like political is really unstable. In this case, what sort of the securities and the safety are there in your campus?
Firstly, because this is the only medical college in Bangladesh, they are situated in a diplomatic zone. So a diplomatic zone having their own security systems, a very heightened security system. This is the first thing. So we are the most safest place in Bangladesh. The second thing is we in and around our medical colleges we uses a private security firm. They give us security. Okay, so we have assigned a private firm who take care of the security, and this is 24/7. In the campus, there are securities forces out there. So if anyone feels, and we in the hostels and in we have asked all the students if anyone feel threatened by any means, we have given them phone numbers who can attain them any time of the day. And the security is very tight because the college has already is being running for 20 odd years, and we are using private security firms to handle the security measures in here.
Okay. Dr. Azad, we have talked about the FMGE India and NMCLE Nepali, class preparation support and so on things as well. And also, let's have add on something about the academic and social support in initial phase. Once like a student want to survive in Bangladesh, what sort of the additional support do a college system or department support to international students?
The first thing is teachers are very accommodative, and whenever a student is having problems, they can talk with the teachers. Uh, there are assigned teachers out there for every phases, and what we have is that we have a WhatsApp group for the parents as well. So whatever the information of the students, the academics, we shared it with the WhatsApp group of the parents. So every parents are connected with the teachers. So teachers give information to that group, and any parents can contact with the teachers any time of the day. So this is a portal we use to accommodate not only the foreign students, also Bangladeshi students as well. So this is open for all. So no one is led unattended. And if anyone rests aside whether it is a local students or a foreign students, what we do is we give individual attention to a students. Any student can come up with their problems, and we try we have dedicated teachers. They try to solve the situation or solve the problem accordingly.
Okay. Professor Dr. Khadimul Azad, we are at the end of this session. So, how would you like to pass your message to the prospective Nepalese students and Indian students and their parents, those who are considering MBBS program in Bangladesh, especially in Shahabuddin Medical College?
This medical college is situated in a diplomatic zone, so there is no security problem. Whatever the political scenario is out there, this zone does not get affected by the situation. And all the teachers in this medical college is very accommodative for the foreign students. And we individually deal with every student. So they will be welcomed. All the students will be welcomed. And we don't let the language barrier to be part of this, part of any problems, because we accommodate any language. We try to strengthen our bondage by communicating with the language in which they are comfortable with. And if the students for the parents, I'm saying, because we are so concerned about the foreign students at that we will make communication with every parents, because there is a teaching panel. They will communicate with every parent. It's not that you just let the students come here and you don't have any information regarding them. We will be informing you every week, so you will know the academic status of your son and daughters, and you'll be part of the education system. And we don't want to be want to take care of your children alone. We will take all of your help in the building up of a better human being. And in preparing for the FMMG and the NMCLE, whatever the assistance you need, our teachers will be very helpful in preparing yourself, preparing your sons and daughters for those examinations. This is what we can offer from the Shahabuddin Medical College.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
So, Professor Dr. Khadimul Azad, thank you so much for your valuable time and thoughts that you share very insightful information about the Shahabuddin Medical College, the facilities, and cooperation for international students. So, once again, we would like to thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, so students and parents, today we talk about the medical education system of Bangladesh, and even we talk about the Shahabuddin Medical College infrastructure, facilities, and special care for the international students as well. So through Destination Bangladesh Television, so we will provide you such a very informative information through this television. So stay tuned our television program, News 24 Television, and you can also write us Jupiter Media 11@gmail.com, and we will revise our program as per your interest. Take care. Bye bye.